Any investor or entrepreneur who has ever been interested in the issue of lending will agree that cross-border lending is very laborious, and the P2P platforms in the fiat world are doomed to perish. Any attempt to introduce cryptocurrencies and blockchain into lending only reduces the attractiveness of both. What is the difficulty? Credit relationships in different jurisdictions are severely limited. Legislation, speed of transfers, losses on commissions, and exchange rate differences. It is necessary to obtain licenses and have compliance with the requirements of regulators in the borrower's place of residence, including compliance with the law on consumer protection. National regulators don't have a common opinion on the status of cryptocurrencies and can't agree on the principles of evaluating the potential of crypto assets and its use cases. There is a potential risk of financial loss due to the high volatility of cryptocurrency rate. Decentralized and anonymous nature of crypto runs counter to AML requirements and completely excludes the guarantee of fulfillment of credit obligations. The first service on the Economic platform is the solution of 2018, fiat loans backed by crypto assets. The service is available to provide high speed of transactions and return on investment, 100% fulfillment of credit obligations, transparency and legality of transactions. The solution for small and large creditors who want to work with crypto owners is already here. How does it work? You sign a full contract with the platform, going through all the necessary procedures like KYC, AML. Then you make a fiat deposit, establish the conditions of lending like interest rate and terms. Economic takes care of everything else, finds customers, prepares deals, makes transfers, controls the amount of payments on the loan and their timeliness. And most importantly, smart contracts regulate the alignment of cryptocurrency rate to the loan. Thanks to constant monitoring of several exchanges, in case of a depreciation of the crypto asset, your client is given the opportunity to buy back the pledged asset ahead of schedule or to partially repay the loan. At the end of the period, you get a deposit with interest. With Economic platform, your money is safe and works for you. Coming soon, be the first to participate in the project launch. Join our token sale. For more information, visit www.economic.net.